morning today around 5:30 or something like that because we are out of Poznan for 4 days and we are going with Damian today. He has a business work trip to what city, Kohanye?
We're going to Kielce.
Kielce it's still Poland or different country?
Still Poland. Kielce is the city between Warsaw and Krakow somehow. I can explain you that way. So never been there also. So it's also very interesting, something new today. And we got opportunity as we can go together, so why not? Yes, sayang?
At least the hotel and the food your company paid, I'm joining.
And transportation.
Yes, I got a holiday for free.
So why not?
Yes. On the road trip, and
Yeah.
here is actually how it looks. The situation, 3 lines toll road, right, Kahanye?
Yeah, the 3-line highway,
Highways, yes.
which is actually very cool. We are just outside of the wood city.
And driving with Damian's company car, 150 kilometers.
I don't pay for petrol, so I go fast.
You just want to reach the target, huh? Right, so I just arrived in Kielce and Damian already go to the company. Actually, Targi Budinek, the building for the exhibition today. It's busy. I was there from outside, but I decided just go to the mall instead. This is what we call as we are great team. We have a workshop. Damian is working, Damian work, and I'm shopping. Swajinego. We are in the food court. Actually, that is in the 3rd floor. Surprisingly, that Kielce has a nice mall and food court like this. So after a 4 hours drive, I decided to buy something. I really like the design of the glass roof, and here is the mall, actually 4th floor, and here is the lift, and on the top floor like this, normally that's the, like the food court, and then in the middle is the children playground. Nice. So where actually the best place to go when you need to cool off yourself from the heat of the summer sunshine is the mall. Okay, I'm already full with my breakfast and I need to go to the Rinek basically. So let's stroll around while Damian is working. Interesting, Kielce actually. Nice city. And we will go out there walking to the Stary Rinek, the market square. Right, so we just arrived in Kielce. First of all, Damian just dropped me in the Galeria Kielce, the mall. Let's have a break from the 4 hours drive, and then I would like to have something to eat, and then let's see what we can explore. Interesting, nice mall actually. It's called Corona Galeria Kielce. This is how it looks from the outside. 4 stairs malls, and over there is the fountain. Nice. So Kielce is actually a city in between of Warsaw and Krakow. This one I think that is city center, and then we will go to the Rinek. When I check the map, we just need to walk about 10 minutes to go there. Let's see. So here is the center, I think, and the traffic situation is just like this. Building, apartment, bus, offices. So that was the main road, and then here is the road to go to the Stary Rinek. You see there are so many kind of apartment, and on the left and the right is the restaurant, and yeah, I guess that because Kielce is not a tourist city, so let's see. Yay! Here we are. We just arrived in the Stary Rinek, which means the old market square in Kielce. I'll show you around how it looks, the market square or the Stare Rinek in Kielce. Interesting, nice. It is smaller than I thought. Yes, that's nice building. That's in the front is the Uzon Miasta Kielce. And yeah, there's so many restaurants around actually. And the thing is that it is super hot. So this is the miniature of the city. It looks like this. Two Yestes. And here is the Stare Rinek look like. It's nice. Maybe later at dinner time will be much busier. It's hot. This is how it looks actually, the market square. I'm thinking I will go there. Let's see what we can do. That's the Stare Rinek actually. Oh. This car is so loud. Okay, I'm thinking to go to keep exploring. Oh, this one is the theater. Cukierna. It is simply a small city. Ah, nice. Gelato. Very nice shop. Restaurant. Interesting. I guess that's the busiest coffee shop. Maybe later I will go there. Next to me is a Galeteria Cafeteria ice cream shop. I keep walking because many people are walking and going there. Let's see what is it in the front. It's nice. We just arrived in the center. That is the Cathedral Church as the background. And look at this beautiful building. This is the Museum Narodowe or National Museum in Kielce. Nice. So when you are in Poland, what you expect to see is just like this. You know, museum, church, and beautiful European style building, especially with the Polish style building. So what I can say then, it's very nice to see how is the, you know, everything here is really well maintained. Nice. And here is the Castle Hill, Zamek. Let's see. And that's the old building that they still keep it, maybe for the memory. So here inside is the Kielce prison from 1939 until 1959. Oh, museum, another museum. Huh. So many historical things here. Interesting. And here is the piece of information of the historical place. Yeah. And you see there's the old building. I think this one is also part of the prison. Let's go there. And you see over there this design. And here is the information. That's another museum building. Here is actually how it looks inside. And I think that's over there is the restaurant, and here is the museum, and here is the Lawrence Hammond, and this one is the museum. Pianist. We were there basically, and here is the information about the places. And now we are in the park. You see, you walk few meters is already park. So here is the park. Here is the garden. That's the museum before. And I think this one is the botanical garden so far. Yes. Okay, I come again. Here this way. Okay, nice. That's in front of me is the Museum Narodowe, and behind the museum here is the Woski Garden or Italian garden. I think during spring will be nicer. So I think that's over there. This is the Bishop, Krakow Bishop House, and here is the Cathedral Church basically. And I will take you inside. This is inside the Cathedral Church, and look at the ceiling. It's so beautiful. That's basically the Cathedral Church in front of me, and here is the National Museum, and over there is the Zamek. Nice. And behind there is a Woski Garden. Beautiful. Now we will take a different road. Let's go there, go back to the Rinek basically, and I take you to stroll around the smaller street, and probably we will have a coffee. So I come to the, I don't know what's the name of the street. I just like stroll around because it has a beautiful Kaminica, and you know, I see many restaurants there, and I see quite many people here, and I don't think that car is allowed to go here. And yeah, there is some restaurant basically. So yeah, let's see. Oh, this is the hotel in the front. It's nice. Yeah, many a brand new painted building here, and yeah, this walking street is beautiful with the light like this. Nice. It's beautiful. It's nice. I think that coffee shop is quite busy. Maybe I will sit there. I feel like I want to try the bread, sweet and sour bread like this with the hot flat white. And what I can see that this restaurant is full. And the most important thing is aircon. I need to cool off myself. And I think that most of the restaurant in KLC, they don't really have an aircon, but the aircon on the, you know, like in some of the places, so that's why the restaurant with aircon is very important for me. Nice, and also very Instagram worthy. So many young people here. I was in that coffee shop, Plage Cafe and Bistro, and this one with the background of the Museum Narodowe, and this one is the walking street basically. And yeah, I would like to show you how it looks. And this one is the Kameni Cahya, actually only 3-story building like this one in front of me, 1909. And it's like quite long walk over there. I think that's the end of the walking street basically. Hey, you just finished working, yeah? Oh, smacznego.
Dziękuję.
Oh, look, a big, huge portion for Damus.
Tak,
Damus, je obiadu, po pracy.
tak.
And look at the place here. Nice.